Hey everyone, so I'm going to be doing, this is the Witch's Moon, W Moon Shop, Witch's Moon for, November, oh my goodness gracious, November 2021. Let us get into this. Okay, so here we go. That took a bit to get out of the other box, but box in a box. Says Witch's Moon, and ooh, okay, yay. All right, let's see what we got here. I hope you guys can see all this. All right, this is gonna be our paperwork. I do see an oracle card or whatever on the top, but this is gonna be our paperwork. I'll put it off to the side. And then I see this, it's a witch's prophecy. Little, looks like a spell or something nice that you can put in your book of shadows, maybe a little poem, something like that. Very, very pretty. I love the font that they use. So there's that. And then this is Witch's Runes. Also, I'm not using that horrible light anymore, so hopefully it's not going to reflect too much. But Witch's Runes here. It's just really pretty. Yeah. I didn't want to like read the whole thing, but a bunch of different sigils, sun, moon, kind of goes through all of this. So we will see what the connection is with this. So there's that. Okay. Then I see some herbs. Do we see our herbs? It says Una Ursi. Una Ursi? That's what it looks like. Don't know what that is. I see this looks like a tea bag or some sort of sachet that you can use to maybe steep something in. Then I see absinthe. Cool, very neat looking. I've never had this before. And then I see, what is it, Carmenta's brew? Yeah, Carmenta's brew. Ritual herbal tea. Cool looking. There's that. Probably for that. All right, here's our bath salt. This is Iris. This is our bath salt. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh. Lots of herby herbs. Not really sure what I see in there. See how it smells. Oh, it smells good. It smells very lightly sweet, very floral. Just soft, almost like a baby powder kind of. Smells good. Dig that. That's Iris. Sacred salt. Then we have, let's see, I guess we'll get into, oh, here's our candle. And our candle is, looks like it's purple. Got my little thing here. Ooh. Okay. Or maybe, yeah, it's purple. That guy. Very nice. I don't see anything on it. Smells light. Smells the same as this, actually. So, but could just be because it's in the same box as this. But that's our little purple candle, beeswax. Nice. And then this matching purple, beautiful. See what we got here. We have the sachet, silk feeling. And, oh, we have our little runes. How cute. So let's go through these little runes here, because they don't look like they're going to be like your standard runes. And I guess that's what the correlation is to this. Each rune is going to be one of these symbols, meaning one of these things. So the sun, the moon, flight, and so on and so forth. So let's take a peek at what these look like. Oh, they're so cute. All right, I got like these. Got the sun. That. This guy or this guy. And so on and so forth. Yeah. Oh, these are really pretty. And I like how there are these cute little pieces of wood. Let's see. And I guess it's gonna, you know, whichever way it lands, might have something to do with something. This or this. And then here's our sun. And this guy. This kind of looks like the number 5, or not, or 3. And then this guy, the eye. Very cool. Neat. So I'm sure there's going to be more information about that in there, but I'm just going to put these back in here really quick. Nice. I think that's cool. I dig that. All right, so one more rune. All right, so there's that. We have our incense. This is amber eyes. Okay. If it smells like amber, I already know I'm gonna love it because I'm a huge fan of the scent of amber resin. So let's pull these out here. They look like here. And yeah, smells amazing. That's good stuff. All right, so that's cool. Dig that. I need to burn more incense. I don't ever burn enough incense. My husband doesn't like it, so I have to burn it outside. And then we got this guy. And let's see what we got in here. Ooh, a little crescent moon stone. It looks like a moss agate. That's what it looks like to me. We will find out. That's what that looks like. Very pretty. I think this is probably going to be our oil. Let's see what this oil is. And the oil is Prophecy. Nice. Prophecy. Do we see anything floating around in here? Let me turn this light on for 2 seconds so we can see if we can see anything floating around in here. There's the light. Do we see anything? Nah. I see some herbies. I see some. It's pretty cool, but I'm turning this light off now because I don't like that thing. I have it, but I don't like it. Worst tripod ever, this thing. I didn't even link it. It's so bad. Anyway, but that's Prophecy. And let's take a smell. Smells like the iris. It's nice. Light, kind of baby powderish. And then, is this my last guy? Yes. Let us see what this is. All right. It looks like something labradorite-esque because I see flash, but oh, come on. All right. Probably a box. I feel like it's a box. Ooh. Yeah, okay, see that flash? That is so cool. And yeah, I think it's a trinket box maybe? Oh, and I'm scared to pull on it. I don't know. It looks like it opens, but I can't pull it open. Hold on one second. Bear with me. Okay, I got it. So there you go. It is a really pretty box. And I don't know what this is. Abalone maybe? I'm not sure. We will look that up as well. So let's see what the paperwork says. Also, we got this really cute, very wintry kind of little card. And this one is Sovereign. Ascension, Transformation, Visualization, Sacred. Dig this card. And she's cute. So let us see what the paperwork says. And I like to skim through this because I don't know if you want to hear me read everything about it. But the theme is a witch's prophecy. And it looks like what we've got is the exclusive oak witch's rune and satin pouch. So it's the runes with the pouch. The Witch's Rune Book of Shadows reference artwork, which was right here. There's that. With the pouch, with the runes in it. the black shell and mother of pearl box. So that's what it is. It's mother of pearl. The hand-rolled Witch's Prophecy spell candle. The Witch's Prophecy Book of Shadows artwork. Where'd that go? I got this guy here. The anointing oil, which is right here. We have the carved moss agate. I was right. Moss agate. The Uva Ursi, I guess, psychic herb. Great addition to a mojo bag to enhance or open your third eye. So there's that. Very cool. We've got the tea in the tea bag. So we have that. The incense sticks. Can never go wrong. The personalized oracle reading, which was that card that I had over there. And then the parchment paper that always comes with. I also had the absinthe in this, so I must have missed something. But anyway, once again, very, very cool box. I am always a fan. I love the artwork. Really need to start getting more into doing some of the rituals. I get sort of slack about doing them. But anyway, so that's everything. Once again, big fan. Please like this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Also, I have other channels, so if you'd like to subscribe to those, they will be listed as well below. And I will see you guys in the next one. I've got another one coming up here pretty soon, so you're going to see the same outfit because I got another one to open. So, but so far, Witch's Moon with Witch's Runes for November 2021. Amazing box, big fan. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.